Okay, good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good, right? Okay, now in the previous videos we had done the grammar topics, right? We had done suffix, and in the previous video we had completed the topic of tenses also. And I had also discussed all the worksheets with you, right? Now today in each chapter, as you know, there is a listening comprehension and a worksheet is given in your application book based on the listening comprehension. So in this chapter also there is a listening comprehension activity. So you have to listen to what I read, okay? To what I read, and then you have to do the worksheet on your own, okay? So let's do the listening comprehension activity. Now, as you all know, we are doing the 12th part of 4th poem. That means this is the 12th video of poem 4. Now, let's listen to the comprehension. I will start reading the comprehension, students. So, please listen very, very carefully because you have to listen clearly, properly, and then only you can solve the worksheet. Okay, students? So, let's start. Reptiles are two-legged creatures. Reptiles cannot be confused with amphibians because unlike amphibians like frogs and toads, reptiles have a backbone. Now you know what are amphibians? The amphibians are like the animals those who live on land as well as water, means they can live on land also as well as water also. And there are some reptiles also which can live on land also and water also, but you must not get confused between the two, okay? They are not the same. Why? Because the amphibians do not have a backbone, but the reptiles, they have a backbone. Understood? All the reptiles have a backbone, but amphibians do not. They are warm-blooded and live only on land. Now reptiles, they are warm-blooded and they live only on the land, you know. Reptiles do not have fur or feathers. Instead, they have dry, waterproof and rough scale. Okay. Now, you know that reptiles do not have fur or feathers. Instead, they have dry, waterproof and rough scales. Their skin is very dry. I explained to you, right? In my previous video, I had explained to you. Means in previous videos I had explained that they have very dry skin and they have a scaly skin, okay? They have a very scaly skin, means the skin is not smooth. Most reptiles lay eggs which have leathery shells and are resistant to drying. And you know, most of the reptiles, they lay eggs, they do not give birth, and they have leathery shells and are resistant to drying. And you know, the shells of the egg, shells means the outer covering of the eggs are very leathery, okay? Leathery means they do not get dry. They do not get dry. Okay, they remain a little moist. They remain a little moist. So they have a leathery shell. The egg has a leathery outer covering that does not allow the eggs to become dry. And reptiles do not look after their young and abandon them soon after birth. And you know, mammals, they take care of their babies after they are born. They feed them with their milk. They take care of their babies. They bring them up. But reptiles, you know what? They lay their eggs, and after the babies come out from the eggs, they abandon them, means they leave them on their own. After that, they do not take care of them. Understood? So I will read it once again, okay? Reptiles are two-legged creatures. Reptiles cannot be confused with amphibians because unlike amphibians like frogs and toads, reptiles have a backbone. They are warm-blooded and live only on land. Now this is about the reptiles, okay? Reptiles do not have fur or feathers. Instead, they have dry, waterproof and rough scales. Most reptiles lay eggs which have leathery shells and are resistant to drying. Reptiles do not look after their young and abandon them soon after birth. Okay, students, so this was the listening comprehension paragraph. Now I will tell you which worksheet you have to do. Okay, I will tell you which worksheet you have to do for your listening comprehension activity. Okay students, now can you see worksheet 4.1? It is on page number 43. So I have read you a paragraph and now you have to do this worksheet. Now what you have to do in this worksheet, I will just explain. Have you read about reptiles? Now listen carefully to this passage to identify some incorrect facts about them. Then write the correct passage with correct facts in the given space. So you know, I read to you a paragraph and some facts were not correct. I read the points to you and some points were not correct. Now what you have to do? Now you have to write the correct points. Okay, all what I said incorrectly, you have to write it correctly, means you have to correct the mistakes in the paragraph. I have read to you a paragraph, so some points were not correct in them. So now you have already learnt about reptiles. You can see my previous video and now you have to write the correct facts about them. So you have to see what I spoke wrong. I will not tell what was wrong in that paragraph. I will not tell you what was wrong in the paragraph. You have to find out on your own. Okay students, you have to find it out on your own. So this is your worksheet 4.1. And then exercise B, what you have to do? Work in pairs and describe each of these reptile using the given keywords. Now you cannot work in pairs because now you are at home, right? But see, what you have to do? All the keywords are given to you. Can you see? Snake, poisonous, covered with scale, lives on land and water, varieties of snakes. So only the keywords are given to you, means only the main words are given and you have to form sentences and write. I will just say you an example. Now see, this is a snake. So a snake is a poisonous reptile. It is covered with scale. Its skin is covered with scales and a snake can live on both on land and water. And there are many varieties of snakes found all over the world. Understood? So only the words are given, means main words are given and you have to form sentences about each reptile. See on the next page also it is given. Next is lizard, then is crocodile, then is tortoise. Understood? So you have to do this worksheet on your own. Okay? Understood students, which worksheet you have to do? Okay, very good. Okay students, so I hope you have understood what you have to do in the worksheet. I have read a listening comprehension and there were some points which were wrong in them. So you have to find out what I spoke wrong and then you have to correct it and write it in the space given to you in the worksheet. Understood? And then you have to do question B, means you have to write sentences about the reptiles given. Okay, all the main words are given and you have to form the sentences. Understood? Okay, very good. So this was my video for today. Thank you for watching it and have a nice day.